Alright, so I don't gotta be loud because I'm in my bedroom right now and my family is sleeping right now, so I gotta be really quiet. Now we're gonna be reacting to all of North America's EAS alarms. I'm gonna keep the volume like okay, fine. Anguilla, Anguilla is like it sounds like they're failing to create. It doesn't even sound like an alarm. Okay, this is just a freaking backyardigan song, bro. Like this is a 2 out of 10, man. I can make a little banger with this EAS alarm. Okay, to be honest, that's kinda eerie. So I'm gonna give it like a 5 out of 10. I mean, it's solid. It's not that bad. It's better than 0. Okay. Okay. 7 out of 10. Baba boy, 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 baba boy. 3 out of 10. At least it's a female. That's why I give it. Whoa. No one told me that there were going to be laser guns out here. Why are they shooting lasers? Bro, it sounds like the future people just shooting some laser out of a laser gun. Okay. Wait, I didn't rate Belize, so I'll give it like a 6 out of 10. Oh, it's Bermuda Triangle. Okay, it's Bermuda. It's not that scary, so I'll give it like a 4 out of 10. It's better than all the others. Not all actually, not all. So at least a solid dose, like 4 out of 10. Okay. That kind of jump scared me, to be honest. So Techie lives in Canada. Now I really feel bad for him because this is the reason why are there EAS alarm sounds like so scary, bro. It's so loud too. Like they just jump scared me, you know. Like what the frick? What the fuzz, man? Not cool. Bonaire? Okay, Bonaire is a 9 out of 10. What the frickling ling, jingling ling, dingling ling? I'll give that as like 2.5 out of 10. What was that? Oh, that's a 10 out of 10. Who's scared of Morse code? Unless it's a sign for. Unless it's a creepy sign in Morse code. Like, no one is scared of Morse code, Jeet. Get the frick out of here. 1.5 out of 10. Is that a burning microwave? Is that an exploding microwave? What the frick? Bro. What was that sound, Dominica? What was that sound? These Dominicans, bro. What was that mosquito? Why was a pigeon flying in the air in the EAS alarm? I think that pigeon got in the way. It's just flying his wings over the alarm. I think that's what it is. So 3 out of 10. Oh God, that's loud. That is loud. That is fuzzy loud. I'll give that a 7 out of 10. It's loud, so. God, that's loud, bro. You can stop that. Bro, stop it. It's so loud. Copying the US alarm. Okay, I'll see you.
Interrumpimos la programación
Even worse.
habitual debido a una emergencia nacional. Manténgase atento, ya que se darán instrucciones importantes.
Stop speaking. Speak it like an English translation or something like. Why are you copying the US alarm? Why? I don't live in the US, by the way. What is that eerie noise in back? By the way, I didn't raid the other one. What was that? El Salvador, right? El Salvador. I raided Dominican Republic. I didn't raid El Salvador. El Salvador, I'll give it like a 5.5 out of 10. It's because they copied the US alarm. Ew, oh my God, I'm getting COVID-19 including the AC. Well, it's because they copied the US alarm and replaced it with Spanish speaking Ajit. Spanish speaking at Unk. So, yeah, I'll give it a 5.5. It's not a 10. Nobody has got a 10 out of 10 right. Why do I gotta have COVID-19, bro? It already ended. Why do I still have it? Okay.
Darán instrucciones importantes.
Shut up. What is that eerie voice in the background? I don't like that. 9.5 out of 10. Almost close to being the greatest alarm in North America. Granada, that is scary. That is scary. 9 out of 10, brother. Hey! 9.5. It is so scary. I'm just kidding. It's not. It's pretty cool though. I like it. I forgot I was rating it by scariness, but I can't change the rating, so 9.5 out of 10. Why is it for them? Where did you get that noise ass from? That's whoa. The EAS alarm is pretty short. So I'll give that a 7.5 out of 10. Dude, where did you get this? Dude, is this fake alarm? Is this a fake alarm? I bet you $1,000 that this is. I bet you 1,000 rupees that this is a freaking fake alarm. Gee, this is the fucking fake alarm, right? What the fuck? Okay, already like a 10 out of 10. What the frick is this music? It keeps on going. Okay. Whoa, that's... Oh, there's more. 8.5 out of 10. Jamaica. Okay, that's pretty cool. Jamaica, really like an 8.5. 10 out of 10. Mexico, I did not rate. Mexico is probably like a 9. Montserrat is probably like a 9.5. That's pretty scary, Montserrat. Nicaragua. That's kind of scary. Okay, 7 out of 10. Nostalgic vibes, 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10, 10 out of 10. 10.5 out of 10. 10.5 out of 10, bro. This is good scores. Okay, Puerto Rico. 6 out of 10. 10 out of 10. Why? Bartholomew, why? Saint Bartholomew, why are you... Saint Kitts and Nevis, you gotta do better. 2. Ew, hawk 2. I gotta do that disrespect by 4.5 out of 10. Yeah, what about that? Shit, they're gonna kill me, bro. Okay. That's 8 out of 10. It's pretty eerie, to be honest. It's kind of eerie. It's 7 out of 10. St. Martin. No, I'm saying, yeah. St. Martin gets a 1 out of 10. What the frick was that alarm? Copying another alarm is not good. Okay? 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 St. McQuillan. St. Peter's and McQuillan. Okay? Why am I just saying every name of these countries? Okay, St. Peter and McQuillan. 8 out of 10. Copycat. St. Vincent and the Grenadines. 7. Psych! 2 out of 10. Okay, why? Oh my god, is this Sabah? Just tell me, is this Sabah? I don't think it is Sabah. I'm guessing it is somewhere in the Caribbean. That's all I'm saying. And it is somewhere owned by Netherlands. It's somewhere in the Caribbean. Why is these laser parties going on? My god, bro. 3.5 out of 10. Stop it. Okay. Why is there lobster? Why? Bro, it sounds like someone's snoring. Really loudly. It sounds like someone having a seizure. I'm not kidding. So, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna rate it a 7 out of 10 and read that. Classic. That's a classic one. 6.5 out of 10. US and Y. 1 out of 10. 1.5 out of 10. Okay. It's somewhere in the Caribbean. But it's like 2.5. 1.5. It is not good. No, like a 5 out of 10. Car engine. 0 out of 10. Oh, I already said it 0. 0.1 out of 10. Stupid. Hawk 2 up. Your EAS alarm is Morse code and it's bad. Well, the official scariest EAS alarm of North America, I don't know if you remember, but I gave Panama a 11 out of 10. I don't know if you remember, but I gave Panama like more than 10 out of 10. So, the official scariest EAS alarm of North America is Panama 1990 EAS alarm. Yeah. So whoever's watching this video, have a good day. Peace. And Panama, you also peace.